Now it's very important field, because now application ID is generated, and we have to upload all the documents. One second, I'll just show that. Now we are going to upload documents one by one. I have selected photo, then you have to go choose photo here. I'll go to desktop. There's a photo I have to upload. Once you uploaded, once you chosen the photo, you have to upload file, otherwise it will not get uploaded. So click on upload file and wait for 2 minutes. It is under process, I guess. Once the photo is uploaded, you will get a document uploaded here. You can view here also. Now again we'll go back, we'll upload visa copy, choose visa, I'll select visa, I'll upload. I'll upload visa.